You must have seen many thumbnails like this, with this kind of glow effect, and this kind of edge glow which makes the thumbnail more pop. So today we will learn to create this kind of thumbnail in Photoshop. And this thumbnail is a recreation of this thumbnail. To create a thumbnail, you will need some assets, an image, grid lines, transparent money, and a logo. So let's open Photoshop and create this thumbnail. I've already added Iman's photo and used the Select Subject feature in Photoshop to remove the background. Now, let me quickly enhance this photo using the Camera Raw filter. Please review the Camera Raw settings to ensure the best result for your photo. Now, add the picture of the money note. Make sure to give each layer its own name so it's clear. Let's make the money look better using the camera filter. After that, put the money below the photo because we want it to be behind the photo. Then, copy the money and spread it around. Now the grid has to be added, and by going into blending mode, the blend mode has to be linear dodge or screen. After this, the opacity has to be reduced. And if you want to keep the theme of the thumbnail, then make it a dark color background color. Now, it's time to choose the brush, select the color, and adjust the flow. Additionally, add an empty layer, then see my steps carefully. Once this is completed, we can move on to the next step. It adds the image of money received, and it is quite easy to create. Just some shapes and text. And this group has to be duplicated and merged. Then transform and distort. Now let's customize the photo a little more. Now let's color correct the money behind. Now, let's include some text. I'll demonstrate how I crafted this text. Using layer styles, I applied an inner glow and a gradient overlay. Next, I selected and merged the text layer, converted it into a smart object, and added a Gaussian blur. After that, I clipped and masked the curve and made some adjustments. Now, it's time to merge all these layers. Open the camera raw filter for color correction and improve the thumbnail further.